Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are well. I am Ujjwal Boiregi, assistant teacher, inviting you to Uksha High School online class. Today I will discuss about for class 9. So dear students, I am going to discuss with you Unit 5 Lesson 1. And the name is The Greedy of the Mighty Rivers. The greed of the mighty rivers. So I am requesting you to open your textbook. You will find this lesson 1 at page 56. Page 56. So before going to our class, I am giving some word meaning. Here I am writing some words and their meaning. First of all, slum. Slum means a little hut. Little hut where poor people live. Another word, protection. Protection meaning the process of keeping safe. Protection meaning the process of keeping safe. Another word, embankment. Embankment meaning along mound of earth or a stone. Embankment means along mound of earth or a stone. Another word, polythene. Polythene. Polythene means a light thermoplastic used in packaging. Used in packaging. Polythene means a light thermoplastic used in packaging. Another word, roof. Roof means the external covering at the top of a building. Roof means the external covering at the top of a building. And I am giving another word, case. You know that what is the meaning of case? Case means an enclosure made of bars. Where, dear students, some of you pet animals, and that pet animals we keep in cage. giving another word meaning. Tremble. Tremble. Tremble means to shake. Shake or vibrate. To shake or vibrate. Dear students, look at the words please. Slam means heart. Protection means the process of keeping safe. Embankment means a long mound of earth or stone. Polythene means a light thermoplastic used in packaging. Roof means the external covering at the top of a building. Case means an enclosure made of bars. And tremble means to shake or vibrate. I am giving some more word meaning. Unsteady. Unsteady means not held firmly. Not held firmly in position. Unsteady means not held firmly in position. I am giving another word, flame. Flame means the visible part of fire. Fire we can see, what we can see of fire is called flame. I am giving another word meaning, remind. Remind means remember. Remember. I am giving another word, turmoil. Turmoil means sorrows or sufferings. Sufferings. I am giving some more word meanings. Cattle. All of you know that cattle means domestic animals. Domestic animals that may be cow, goat, hen, etc. Cattle. Next word, erosion. Erosion means the gradual loss of soil. The gradual loss of soil, erosion. Consume. Next word, consume. Consume means destroy. Consume means destroy. Monsoon. You know that students. Monsoon means rainy season. Rainy season. Monsoon means rainy season. I am giving some more word meaning. River. River means rapidly destroy. Rapidly destroy. River means rapidly destroy. Greedy. Greedy means destructive. So dear students, look at the board please, and I hope all of you will learn, or all of you will see or note these word meanings. So I am going to our lesson. Unit 5, lesson on the greed of the mighty rivers. I am reading this text for you. So dear students, please open your English for today book at page 56. First line, Mirjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Mirjan, a woman who lives in a slum or hut, and her house is located Shirazganj town protection embankment. Her polythene roofed shelter. Because of poverty, Mirjan could not build her house in big position or building, so she made her house with polythene. Polythene roofed shelter looks like a cage. You know that, dear students, we see that cages are not well furnished. Cages are not built very well. So, because of poverty, Mirjan could not build her house very largely or very big. She is nearly 45. Mirjan is 45 years old, but looks more than her age. Because of poverty, because of struggle, she struggled in her life. I am going to discuss with you in the next para. Only 45, but she looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, in front means before her shelter or hut or slum, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. You know that, dear students, we eat 3 times in a day, but because of poverty, Mirjan eats only 1 time in a day. And she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands, because of poverty, she is suffering from disease, so that her hands are weak. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves. Fallen leaf means dry or yellow color leaf which fall from trees. She adds some fallen leaves and a straw. A straw, you know that, dry yellow color straw, to the fire for cooking. Next sentence, the whispering wind. Whispering wind means sometimes the wind comes with very fast and sometimes the wind comes with very slow. Here, so in this sentence, whispering is added. Whispering wind from the river Jamuna. River Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. Unsteady, you know that, I have written here, not held firmly in position. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing flames. Flame means the visible part of fire. Because of whispering wind, the fire is sometimes very high or sometimes low. The dancing flames remind Meherjan of the turmoil of her life. Turmoil means sorrows and sufferings of her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything. A family, Meherjan had a family, cultivable land where she could cultivate crops and cattle. Cattle means domestic animals. All this she had not long ago, but this river Jamuna destroyed all her life. I am reading the sentences. The erosion of the Jamuna, the gradual loss of soil of the Jamuna, gradually consumed, destroyed all her landed property. Because of erosion, her landed property was destroyed, so she could not grow vegetables or any crops. It finally claimed her only shelter. It means here river Jamuna. Finally claimed her only shelter where she lived or stayed during the last monsoon. Last rainy season, she lost her hut or slum. It took the river only a day. Within a day, to devour Meherjan's house, trees, vegetable garden and the bamboo bush. Meherjan had everything, house, trees, vegetable garden and bamboo bush. But within a day, the river Jamuna destroyed all the things. She had a happy family once. Meherjan had a happy family once. She had her husband, son, daughter, etc., etc. But now she is only one. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to disease that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Because of poverty and disease, she lost her husband and her son or daughter, etc., etc. Cattle, vegetable, land, cultivable land, etc., etc. Now she is only one left to live. Now Meherjan is only one. Over the years, she lost her husband and family to the disease that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. She lost her husband, her son, her daughter, cattle, vegetable garden, cultivable land, all the things she lost. The greedy Jamuna, here Jamuna is called greedy, means destructive. Greedy means destructive. Jamuna has shattered, has destroyed or smashed her dreams and happiness. Meherjan dreamed to lead a happy life with her family, but because of erosion of Jamuna, she lost all her properties, her dear and dear ones. Now she is only one to live with her sorrows and sufferings. So dear students, today in my next class I will discuss another part of this lesson. So dear students, I hope you have understood my lesson, and I request you to follow our online classes from Uksha High School, and you will comment me if you any question, then I will answer. So dear students, I hope all of you understood my class, understood my lesson. Thank you so much. See you in my next class. Thank you everybody.